In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn between $30,000 and $60,000 just by reposting content. It's a straightforward process that leverages the powerful platform called Whop.com. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, open your browser and type in Whop.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Whop homepage, you'll notice something called the Make Money app. This is key to unlocking the earning potential we're talking about today. Before we can begin, you'll need to sign up. Fortunately, Whop makes this process incredibly simple. You can create your account using your Google credentials. Just select your preferred email to connect and click Continue. Shortly after, you'll receive a verification code in your email. So go ahead and check your inbox. Once you've got the code, return to Whop and type it in. With your email verified, it's time to add a few more personal details. Enter your name and click Next. The platform will then ask for your birthday, so fill that in as well. Now, it's time to choose your profile picture. Once you've made your choice, click Save to ensure everything is set. You'll then be prompted to create your first Whop. This is essentially your profile within the marketplace. Hit Create My Whop and choose a name for it. Once you've decided, click Continue. At this point, you'll find yourself on your new dashboard. This is the control center where you'll manage your activities. One of the exciting features of Whop is the marketplace. By clicking here, you gain access to various campaigns. You're free to browse and select any campaign that piques your interest. When you've made your choice, simply click Join, and you'll be on your way to earning money by posting viral product content. You'll earn based on the number of views your videos get. That's right, no need to make sales. It's all about the views and your influence. Before posting anything, it's crucial to review the rules associated with each campaign. This section will outline what you can expect in terms of rewards, the type of content needed, and the platform suitable for posting. When you click on a campaign, you'll find a tutorial. This handy guide ensures you're well equipped to create content that meets the requirements. Once you feel comfortable and know what's expected, you can begin creating your video. After editing and perfecting it, publish your masterpiece on YouTube. Then head back to Whop and click Submit. Now, you'll need to share your post's link and the original image or video in the designated area. Click Submit again. After submission, your post will be reviewed. Once approved, you'll start earning rewards based on how many views your content generates. So, get creating and let the earning begin.